877-444-7330.
And welcome back to our continuing coverage of this storm. We do have a reminder for you, just occurred to me, if you want to check out our website, check and see some of the maps that Leon has been working on. Go to our website, 7online.com. You can get lots of information there, or just stay with us right here, right now.
They also have some great photos online. People are sending in their photos, so check them out, or send some of yours in. We want to now go to Jen Maxfield, who is in Hoboken, New Jersey. And Jen, I understand, is coming down about an hour.
Late this morning and early this afternoon, but the snow is hanging again when you're in Washington Street. This is the main commercial drag straight through the heart of Hoboken. And I want to show you what's happening here. This is a walking city, so we have seen many people walking here today, but not everybody